There's a saying, a biblical saying that says something like this. Those who have swords and know how to use them but keep them sheathed will inherit the earth. Swords mean the ability, the power to hurt others, not the act of hurting. Today's world is like a battle. A lot of people are hostile to others, even to those they like and care about. We hurt each other knowing or unknowingly. And most people that hurt others knowingly do it to take some kind of advantage. In today's society, I'm not referring to physically hurting others, but psychologically hurting, manipulating, taking advantage of others. Something that will bring some form of benefit to a person while harming someone else. The fact that one knows how to hurt others, knows how to use the swords, means that even if we know how to manipulate others, how to take advantage of others, it doesn't mean we should hurt them and take advantage of some situation just because we know how to do it. It means we should use that ability to be stronger, to have more emotional resilience, so we don't get manipulated, so we don't get hurt. Because if you want to protect yourself, you need to know how the weapons can be used against you. Keep the swords sheathed, but know how to use them, and you shall inherit the earth.